You look in the mirror and despise the reflection staring back.
You believe everyone else is a masterpiece, while you are broken.
But realize this absolute truth. Your eyes are lying to you.
You imagine a blinding spotlight on your flaws, but nobody cares.
You obsess over one pixel, the world sees the whole image. You compare your behind the scenes to their carefully curated highlight reel.
Beauty is not a static math equation. It is dynamic energy.
You are bored of your face because you see it daily.
To a stranger, your features are fresh, unique, and magnetic.
You judge a frozen, static image. Humans are meant to move.
A genuine smile transforms your facial geometry instantly, and attractiveness spikes.
The voice in your head is a bully, not a scientist.
What you call a hideous flaw, someone else calls a trademark. Confidence is a filter that actually rewrites how people perceive you.
Evolution scans for health and vitality, not Photoshop perfection.
Your energy walks into the room before your physical body does.
Treat your body like a temple, not a trash can.
Stop obsessing over the reflection. Start focusing on connection.
You are a limited edition of one. That creates immense value. Own your features, and the world will follow your lead.
Kindness makes you radiant. Bitterness makes you physically repulsive.
You are not ugly. You are just not your own type. Lift your head. Walk with purpose. You are enough.
Subscribe now to rebuild your mind. See you next time.